effect, signs and symptoms, risk factors and protective factors, and possible complications. As for your task for this week, you will, first, identify the common non-communicable diseases. Second, describe the signs and symptoms of selected non-communicable diseases. And lastly, work on the assessment, evaluation, and reflection tasks. On our previous lesson, you have learned the nature of non-communicable diseases. Today, let us deepen our knowledge about the common non-communicable diseases. This lesson will focus on identifying common non-communicable diseases. It will provide important topics which may help you to prevent these kinds of diseases. Are you ready? Let's begin. From our previous episode, you have learned that non-communicable diseases are diseases that cannot be transmitted from one person to another. Now, let us discuss what are the common non-communicable diseases. Here we go. Here are the common non-communicable diseases. Allergy, asthma, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, kidney or renal failure. Let us deepen our knowledge about these diseases. Allergy. Allergy is a misguided reaction to foreign substances by the immune system. These foreign substances that trigger allergy are called allergen. Examples include pollens, dust mite, molds, dander, drugs, and certain foods. People prone to allergies are said to be allergic. Here are the common types of allergy. Hay fever or allergic rhinitis, allergic conjunctivitis, allergic eczema, hives or urticaria, allergic shock or anaphylactic shock. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disorder that causes airways or bronchus or the tubes that carry air into and out of the lungs to become inflamed. They swell and produce lots of thick mucus and may result to respiratory infections. The following are the primary signs and symptoms of asthma. Shortness of breath, wheezing, coughing, chest tightness. Asthma may be prevented through lifestyle changes, activity reduction, allergy shots, and medications. Cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular disease is the disease of the heart and blood vessels. These include heart diseases and vascular diseases. Here are the examples of heart or cardio diseases. Congenital heart disease, congestive heart failure, arrhythmia, rheumatic heart disease, myocardial infarction or heart attack. Here are the examples of vascular or blood vessel diseases. Arteriosclerosis, hypertension or high blood pressure, stroke, aneurysm. Did you know? Serious stroke can cause death. People who live alone are twice as likely to have a heart attack or sudden cardiac death as those who live with a partner or roommate. Negative emotions and depression are risk factors for heart attack and stroke. And happier people are less likely to develop heart diseases. Let's take a look at our learner's task. Here is an example of student performing the task, add word out. Afterwards, he or she will answer the questions for the evaluation.
Good day everyone, I am Maria Antoinette Salinas, a student of Andres A. Nocco National High School from the SDO of General Trias City. For today's task, I will identify the common non-communicable diseases by answering two learning tasks. Let's begin. For the first activity entitled Odd Word Out, I will read and analyze series of words in each item and cross out the word that does not belong to the group. Number 1. Allergy, asthma, acne, arthritis. Let us cross out acne because it does not belong to the most common and serious. Number 2. Eczema, hives, hay fever, dengue. My answer is dengue because it is a communicable disease. Number 3. Sneezing, high fever, runny nose, stuffy nose. High fever because it is not a symptom of allergy. Number 4. Hypertension, stroke, heart attack, asthma. Asthma because asthma is not an example of cardiovascular diseases. Number 5. Reduce stress, manage weight, exercise regularly, wash hands. Wash hands because hand washing is one of the ways to prevent communicable diseases. For the second activity, I will identify what is being asked or described in each item by choosing my answer from the given options. Number 1. Which is a non-communicable disease? A. Cancer. B. Dengue fever. C. Influenza. D. Tuberculosis. My answer is letter A. Cancer. Number 2. Which of the following statements does not describe non-communicable diseases? A. Caused by pathogen. B. Result of unhealthy lifestyle. C. Non-transmitted from a person to another. D. Result of behavioral and hereditary. My answer is letter A. Caused by pathogen. Number 3. Your friend is asthmatic. What do you think he or she should do to prevent eye attack? A. Eat a balanced diet. B. Exercise. C. Manage stress. D. All the choices. My answer is D. All the choices. Number 4. A condition in which inflammation causes the bronchi to swell and the airways to narrow. A. Allergy. B. Asthma. C. Hay fever. D. Hives. My answer is letter B. Asthma. Number 5. A kind of arthritis that causes pain and swelling in my joints throughout the body. Letter A. Diabetes. Letter B. Kidney. Letter C. Osteoarthritis. Letter D. Rheumatoid. My answer is letter B. Rheumatoid.
For our third episode next week, we will explore another common non-communicable disease. It will be another fruitful lesson to learn for health education. Thank you for connecting with us at Pivot Gabay, your quick guide to learning. Only here at Pivot TV. See you next time. Happy learning!